So let's go over OLB today. About 8:30 it pops up. Here we go. It was at 52 cents. Has this topping tail right up here. A couple minutes after its first initial move. Got pushed down and then kind of gained some momentum. And then as it was breaking this, we can see had some higher volume here. Slight pullback and then really gained on even more volume. What is kind of unfortunate though is that at 113 here, we can see, not the highest volume candle, but it's still a pretty high volume candle of the red. And that gives you a little bit of a tail right there. And then unfortunately, this just kind of rolled over. Never even really made an attempt higher. So it kind of rolled over there until we can see right here, 930 hits. Let me just get a ton more volume. It's kind of like what we like to see, but volume came all at once here, and then it was just this flat top right here. Like you can see, I can put a line right there, and it just hits like 4 or 5 times. It does have this tail that goes above it, but that's it. Kind of a double bottom here, goes flat, pops up more, and then we get up to 97 cents. So like this, it looks very flat, but when we actually zoom out a bit, you can see that that was, still a fairly significant move. On further, then we retest these highs, so we get to 110, so we're just a few cents off the high, and then right here at 12 o'clock, we just break that dollar, go straight to 114, 115, kind of a pullback, gaps higher. Okay, so you can see here 1201, next candle's 1206. So we had that gap right there. Basically the stock halted and then it resumed, punched higher, came back down, and then ended up kind of rolling over after that. So it went up, has that huge tail, which is not great, and then you can see that it falls quite a bit down here. So that's a pretty big range within that 10 minutes. Holds decently steady, rolls over a bit, nothing too crazy, grinds back up here, and then again at 218 we just get this bigger move here, and then we go to 180. So I mean, overall, yeah, it's rolled over now, it's at 99 cents, but overall that was a pretty big move that really continued over the whole day. Unfortunately, the moves, a lot of it was in later in the day, but this first move here, if you had gotten in real early, you would have been fine. But anything past here, I mean, you're looking at an extended downtrend right here, and would have been fairly easy to lose money if you gotten in too late. And if you're trying to time anything in here, it just kept going down further. Be careful on the stocks that you choose to trade, but when they have good news and clearly the momentum and volumes there, like we can see this 256% here, and then the volume, just incredible. It's exactly what we like to see, and hopefully we get another stock like that tomorrow. So that's all I have for you. Make sure to manage your risk well, and I'll see you tomorrow.